Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 8th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and Nasdaq, because they can impact the stock market as a whole. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. VIX is down today. We are very happy. Down 103, that's 4.18%. Let's look at the chart right here. The VIX was into this uptrend right here, a trend, and then we had a pause in this uptrend. It went up like this, and now we had a pause, and then it started to come back down. So very happy to see it down. So we broke this upward support. And we also broke this quite important support at 23.82. So it seems the fear in the market is receding a little bit. So we are going to take whatever we can get. Let's hope that this continues a little bit longer. One thing is for sure is that we are not into this uptrend anymore. So this is always nice to see. This move down might be having eventually a pullback up. And if it does and then comes back down, then we are going to be able to draw a resistance like this and a channel. And then we can follow it down. We can follow it down step by step. So good news here on the VIX. Let's look at Dow Jones. Bouncing back nicely also. So we had this number, I think this is 31,222 here, right here. So we bounce here and we also bounce on this downward support. So nice to see that the Dow Jones is also following up. We don't have stochastic over 60 on Dow Jones, just like on Tesla. We don't have stochastic on Tesla yet. We should be careful a little bit, and we don't have stochastic over 60 on Dow Jones either. So we'll have to have a couple more days, a couple more green days to get that stochastic over 60. And then if this is what is happening, we are going to be getting very close to this downward resistance, and we are going to have to check it very closely to see if we break it or if we cave to S&P 500. Same thing here, a stochastic at 27. What was the stochastic here? The stochastic was at 22. So the same thing here. Nasdaq Composite bouncing also. It was a great day today, 22. And Nasdaq 100, pretty much the same thing. So to keep things in perspective, we are still in a downtrend in terms of the indices. This is a downward channel, and we are in this downward channel, and we have been into it since the end of last year. We had a nice pull up starting from mid-June. It was a nice move up right here, and now we are into a move down within a big move down. These 2 days need to be put in perspective. They are nice if you play on the 1 hour chart. You can get some decent action here. That's nice. But on the daily chart, whether it is for Tesla or for Dow Jones and S&P 500 and everything, there's nothing yet to write home about yet. But let's just keep watching, and we will be there whatever happens, and then we can act accordingly. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.